Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? Today I'm sharing with you how I make my DIY avocado butter. I'm adding my shea butter and cocoa butter, and I'm just gonna melt it in a second. I'm adding about a quarter of a cup, okay, with both butters, and I'm just gonna set it in the hot water to melt. Once this is melted, I stick it into the freezer. Okay, so it's just a little bit more solid. I go ahead and add my avocado oil. I'm adding about half a cup of avocado oil here. Okay, you wanna, whichever butter you're making, that is the ingredient you want to use the most of. So I'm making avocado butter, so I'm adding quite a lot of avocado oil into it. Well, now that is done, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of castor oil. I'm just adding this because we use this for our scalp and our edges too. If you don't, then you can skip it, but because of that, we add castor oil in there. Okay, and then the last kind of butter I'm adding into it is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, extra virgin. And then I'm gonna add my essential oils. I add about 5 drops of rosemary and about 10 drops of lavender. I just wanted that lavender smell, so I added more lavender than rosemary. Lavender is also perfect for growing your hair too, so it's perfect for your DIYs. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that now and whisk it all up. Okay, I think I froze it a little bit too much, so I was having a bit of a difficulty in mixing the batter, whisking it. So what I really do is I whisk it, and then I try and get all the batter from the sides later on and try and just mix it into it. It was a bit too hard for me. Okay, yeah, once that's done, that's really it. That's your butter. What I did is I had to stick the butter back into the freezer because the oil I was using, because I used more oils than butters, it was still a little bit more liquidy. It was thick but still a little more liquidy, and it was a very sunny day, so the oils were melting. So I go and stick it back into the freezer. As you can see now, I'm going in and whipping it up all again because it was just a little bit too liquidy for my liking. Here I'm trying just a little bit on my skin, and it just feels so good. I love avocado oil for both skin and hair. It's just fantastic. It still just needed a little more whipping because the frozen bits of the batter was still stuck to the cup. So it just needed more whisking to just bring that all in. Just keep whisking until you get the right consistency. Okay, and you will just know when it's all nice and just whipped up. You just can tell from the texture. And at that point it wasn't quite done yet. Right, once that's done, now you're just gonna scoop it into your bowl or into your jar, whatever you have to keep this batter. And it's just perfect no matter how hot it is. Once it's whisked up, it doesn't melt, it just sits nicely, and it's perfect for your hair. You can also use this for your skin. I will omit the essential oils if you're using it for your skin. Because anything I use for my skin, I use for my baby skin as well, so I will omit that. But otherwise, it's just perfect for skin and hair, and it just greases the scalp so nicely when your scalp is dry, and it's just so lovely. And just that whipped butter texture is just so nice. So yeah, that's it really. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Take care guys, bye.